Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. The Bitcoin ETF, got some good news on that for you today in this article. I want to share it with you guys. Before we get started at Knockout Crypto, guys, I want you to follow the channel at knockoutcrypto.com. Subscribe to the channel. You can also go to knockoutcrypto.com to join. Pull this up for you guys. knockoutcrypto.com. Basically, here is where you could find our different benefit levels. We give you 15 videos a month where you can see all sorts of different things. So yeah, go ahead and check out knockoutcrypto.com. But let's get back to the article about the Bitcoin ETF. The Bitcoin ETF will August 10th mark the revival of the high Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin ETF fate is finally going to be decided on August 10th. Currently, the SEC is asking for comments on the listing and trading of Bitcoin ETF introduced by Van Eyck Solid X Bitcoin Trust that will be catering to only accredited investors. The proposed date by the SEC to give its decision is August 10th. That, by extension, will also decide the fate of cryptocurrencies and if trillion-dollar funds will finally pour in the crypto market. The Bitcoin ETF by Van Eyck and Solid X, SEC is seeking comments. A few days back, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission opened the Cboe ETF filing for public comments, which is most likely to be concluded on August 10th. The official website of the SEC states comments on the Cboe BZX rulemaking in regards with the notice of proposed rule change to list and trade shares of Solid X Bitcoin shares issued by the Van Eyck Solid X Bitcoin Trust. The proposal calls for the listing and trading of Solid X Bitcoin-based exchange-traded fund, which states that it will only invest in Bitcoin. Solid X and Van Eyck came together for this in early June. It was not even their first attempt, but the third one to build a Bitcoin investment project. According to the CEO, Jan Van Eyck, we believe that collectively, we will build something that may be better than other constructs currently making their way through the regulatory process. A properly constructed, physically backed Bitcoin ETF will be designed to provide exposure to the price of Bitcoin, and an insurance component will help protect shareholders against the operational risk of sourcing and holding Bitcoin. Moreover, one share will be roughly equivalent to 25 Bitcoin, which means it is created for the accredited investor. Trillion-dollar funds are waiting on the curve. Now the SEC is asking for comments from the interested people. In the past, several companies have tried to list Bitcoin ETFs, but to no avail. The concerns regarding the high volatility of the market along with the liquidity has been the primary reasons for authorities' reluctance to allow them. It has been revealed by the sources that August 10th is the proposed date when the SEC will make the decision on the future of the Bitcoin ETF and by extension the entire cryptocurrency market. For starters, the application of the Bitcoin ETF by a Wall Street firm in itself is a huge step that has given a clear indication of a huge amount of money pouring into the crypto market. Also, being only for the accredited investors, their entry would also mean the entry of big money. If the SEC does give this nod for the approval of the ETF, it would mean an indirect green light to mainstream investment in altcoins as well. This would eventually bring funds in trillions into the crypto market. There is no surety of the incidents in the crypto market. If this proposed date does see a green light, big fat investors would be jumping into the market through these additional assets. So yeah, a Bitcoin ETF, so you have to be an accredited investor, which means, 25 Bitcoin, which right now 25 Bitcoin is at $6,000 each. That's about, we're talking about $140,000. So this is big money. So each person that buys one share of these ETFs, these are not little people that are buying $140,000 shares worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, big money would come in through this ETF if this ETF is approved. So this is the big news. Everybody's waiting on this. We didn't have a date, and that's what makes this article interesting. It gave us a date. A lot of places never gave us a date for when this Bitcoin ETF might be approved or when we're going to hear the SEC's decision. But this is big. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the SEC's decision on August 10th, will they allow the Bitcoin ETF or will they deny it? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com. Join us, man. We got 15 in-depth videos. We got hidden gem videos. We got our undervalued gem for July. New coin of the week for July. Hidden gem 2 for July. Our monthly update video. We got a lot of things on here for you guys to check out. And you could join for less than $2 a month. $2 a month? That's nothing. That's less than some fries at McDonald's. For $2 a month, you can get 15 videos a month, undervalued gems, hidden gems. You get the next big crypto report. Go and check out knockoutcrypto.com, guys. Thank you for following the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you for following. Appreciate your support. Knockout Crypto. Let's knock this thing out, fellas. Let's win. Okay? Let's win. All right? Thank you for following Knockout Crypto.